Hi! In front of me is Huawei Nova 11i, and today I would like to show you how you can block app notifications on this device. You need to start by opening Devices Settings. In them, scroll down just a bit and access Notifications and Status Bar. Now scroll down, click on Most Recent and tap on the best option for you. In my case, Most Frequent. After that, you can finally click on an app from which you want to block notifications, like Call of Duty, and tap on this switcher next to Allow Notifications. This way, you'll turn them off or on. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!